Outdoor cooking has evolved far beyond basic grills and barbecue pits. Today, we're witnessing the rise of fully equipped outdoor kitchens, spaces that blend the luxury of indoor living with the freedom of the open air. These are not just functional areas. They're beautifully crafted extensions of the home, transforming backyards, patios, and rooftops into stylish, high-performance environments. At the heart of this transformation is acetylated wood, a breakthrough material redefining outdoor design. Unlike traditional wood, which warps, rots, or fades under the elements, acetylated wood is engineered for resilience. Through a cutting-edge process, it resists moisture, decay, and even insects, offering unmatched durability with minimal maintenance. So, what sets it apart? Acetylation modifies the wood at a molecular level. No toxic chemicals, just pure innovation. The result? A material that retains wood's natural beauty while delivering exceptional strength and stability. From decking and cabinetry to pergolas and furniture, it's the perfect choice for lasting outdoor elegance. In this CEU course, you'll explore the science, versatility, and technical advantages of acetylated wood. Discover how it empowers you to design stunning, high-performance outdoor kitchens and living spaces that stand the test of time. Join us to see how this revolutionary material is shaping the future of luxury outdoor design.